Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I'm experienced celebrity chef Ethan Hunter, and today on Cooking Through the Ages, we're going to be learning how to make gender roles. Let's start our 1950s gender roles by using post-World War II anxieties to heat up the nuclear family. Once the nuclear family is just simmering, pour in 2 tablespoons of the Red Scare and a packet of societal pressure to get married. Now let's set this mixture aside to create lots of loveless marriages. While that happens, let's mix our exaggerated femininity, internalization of gender roles, and the restriction of women entering the workplace. Now it's time to mix these factors together. Make sure you get everything nice and uniform because, it's the 50s. Really get in there and mix those descenders in with the rest of them by any means necessary. Now that our dough is prepared, make sure to use some force to get that sucker rolled out. Great, now we're ready to add some flavor. Let's combine a little bit of blatant misogyny with some more subtle stuff, like the historical degradation of women. Go. Now put your wonderful spice blend inside your gender roll and roll it up. Cut the gender roll into 5 pieces. And before you bake, don't forget to spray your cookie sheet with copious amounts of Oil Incorporated's brand of non-stick oil. Then stick them in the flames of public discourse for some amount of time, probably longer than we'd like. When you're done, you'll have some piping hot gender rolls. They should be rigid and unappealing, just like the gender rolls of the 50s. And don't worry, they taste about as good as they look, which is to say, not very good.